going on? Where the heck is my mouse? I think I just... Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, I crashed the game. Okay, it's back. Alright. Hey, deep fried potatoes! Welcome back to Swarm. Today, we're playing with the Fuzzy Bee, and look how much honey we have. 89 million. We're not grinding for that 35 time slot yet. No. You know what we're doing? Even better. We have enough. I'm pretty sure. Hopefully I do. We have enough in our backpack. We are grinding to finish this black bear quest, 15 B zone. But there's something else you need to know. I currently have 400 tickets. 405 tickets. And up there is a ticket machine. Up there, the tickets cost 90 million honey to get 100. I know what that means. Get myself a Photon Bee. Photon Bee, boys! Photon Bee! Come on! We're gonna keep grinding here, though. This is my tree area done, because I just got my flame light. Oh, we're at 90 million! You haven't even converted it yet. Fine, now we'll grind for the next hive slot after this. Because then that is respectable, because we need to grind for the hive slot. Get into the 35 B zone and claim a clog vial and start getting hatch for the 35th B zone. Then boom. There. Okay, we're almost done with this plank. Oh, come on. Why did it just turn night? A vicious bee can spawn. So I'm gonna use the night bell. Oh my, look at this flower. Look at it. It's white and has a star. Oh my god. Look how close we are with our pine tree. These quests are getting hard. So we're gonna convert this. We're gonna go grab ourselves a Photon Bee. Here you go, cool bee. Go 210 out of 270. Then we complete Mother Bear's quest, which her quest is literally the hardest. I'm trying to get my Fuzzy Bee mutated because he needs Oh my god, look at all these bees. Like, let's see a cool bee when it's born. A cool bee converts 120 pollen in 4 seconds. 120 honey. Makes 120 honey in 4 seconds. 16,002. Alright, we have 95 million. Head up to the ticket shop. We're gonna go buy ourselves a Photon Bee. 100 tickets, 90,771,000. If I bought this straight up, that would be a waste of money. Boom! Bought. Don't need this shop anymore unless I want a tabby bee. But that's what I do want. We have a total of 500 tickets. Let's go. Alright. Alright, I'm actually gonna get on a call with my friend and then just do that. Okay, so... Let me go grab. Alright, boys, we back. Phone's back. He is online. Should be answering. Oh. Oh, but if you can for a few minutes, like, come into Bee Swarm. Hopefully your game doesn't crash. Cause I'm gonna do something. Plus, I'm recording. So that means that something is going super well.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Mentions stick bug.
No, there's no stick bug. No, it's something all about me. And maybe possibly you. Great! Because a noob just joined. Well, there are a few pros in the server. Well, hold on. Let me just join a different server completely.